So this is a 2015 Acura ILX, and we're gonna reset the oil light. Alright, for that you can do it when the car is on or running. We're gonna do it when the car is running. Okay, so it's running right now. We just press these arrows right here, right in the steering wheel. Okay, you press it down, and right there the settings is gonna change. Look for that one, customize settings. Press this one, select, press it. It's gonna go in that settings, in that menu, and then scroll down. Look for that one, maintenance info. Click in there. It's gonna ask you right there if you wanna reset the oil life. So scroll up, then press select, reset, maintenance reset completed. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2015 Acura ILX. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.